Hi everyone, I'm Mushtaq Hussain. In this video, I'm going to show you how to host a meeting and a webinar. So first of all, go to easytalks.com. After this, you can sign up. It's free. Or if you have any Google account, you can log in with Google. So I'm going to log in with Google here. I select my Google account and here I go. So once you log in, you will get this page of EasyTalks. So here you can see, some major options available. Schedule a meeting or webinar, start an instant meeting. Then upcoming, there are no upcoming meetings or webinars, so you don't find any data over here. Now let me show you one by one how to schedule a meeting as well as webinar. So first of all, I am going to schedule a meeting. So just click on to schedule. After that, it will ask you to select meetings or webinar. So select meetings, then click on to next. So here you can name your meeting. So love weekly meeting. So I am going to schedule it today at, so you can select date and time over here. Then after that you can select the duration, 1 hour 0 minutes, or you can change it. Now since I am from India, so I'll be selecting this time zone. Now if you want to add some description to your team meeting, then you can add it. So weekly Sunday meeting of team A love. So this is how I schedule a meeting. So you can see over here, so topic, meeting ID. So this meeting ID is very much important. So for example, if you are going to join someone's meeting, so you need to enter this 8 digit, or sometimes you get 9 digits too. So 8 or 9 digits meeting ID. Then who is the host, time, then duration, then join link. So even you can copy this link so that you can invite participant to for your meeting. Then you can copy the invitation. So this is how invite is. Then again you can enter emails of invitees and you can invite them. So this is how you can schedule a meeting on EasyTalks. Now we shall see how to schedule a meeting, how to schedule a webinar. So again click on to schedule, then click on to webinar, then click on to next. Then here you can see, so you can write a topic, a webinar on Easy Talks. So now here again, time schedule, room type is time schedule, then webinar type, it is live. So I'm not going to change any start time. So time zone, you can select your own time zone. So registration, we need to keep it on. Then registration notification, so you should receive email notification when someone register. So yes, we need to keep it on. Then registration limit, so we should not limit anyone, so it is kept off, it is put off. Then approve, so it should automatically approve the registration. Then payment, it's free. Then cloud recording, yes, we can record our meeting, so webinar we can keep it on. Then reminder email, so I think it is better to put it on because it will send reminders to the participants, so 5 minutes before, or but this reminder emails is applicable to only pro plan, so we shall put it off. Then chat, yes, put it on, keep it on. Then default page, so this is how you can schedule a webinar. Now you will see these details in details. Then we have got waiting room. So maybe you can create one cover page and you can put it over there. So it will accept JPG, PNG or JPG and GIF files. Then you can upload over here. Then registration. Yes, you can upload registration over here. So again, you can use JPG or PNG file, and then you can add thank you page too. So this is how you can enter the details and you can save the details. So this is how we have scheduled a webinar too. Then we have got rooms, we have got storage. So storage, as far as storage is concerned, so we have maximum storage of 1 GB and we can select only MP4 files over here. Then contacts, so maybe you can add contacts, you can create groups. So this is how we can schedule or we can host a meeting as well as webinar on EasyTalks. Thank you for watching.